a Chrysler Tech. What are you doing driving a BMW? What do you mean, real car? Yes, Ray Russian buddy got it running, guys. Bleeder valve that you use. Get most of now. This has got a bleeder screw on it right here, but we do double coverage. We do a bleeder valve and a bleeder screw. Remember, guys, that's the one that he took this engine out, but he couldn't get it in because it came out of an engine that was equipped with a nag 1. This bushing on the back of the block is what matters. Remember, I told y'all about that on the earlier short. If this is on there, it likely came out of a nag transmission. The transmission in this vehicle is an 8-speed rear-wheel drive, so we had to take this engine back out and bang this out so it'll fit into that, so the block and the transmission would bolt together. Oh, you talking about a pain in the butt trying to bolt that on and not knowing this? Oh my goodness. But it is what it is, guys. Hashtag short.